Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this small video about indices. So let's get started. I made few charts about few indices like S&P 500, US30, Nasdaq, and DAX. So let's see what happened to them, and making this video because I think now they are about to make the turn again. So this was the area that I suppose I was expecting a turn, and that happened. So let me show you. S&P 500 weekly chart, 22nd July, I made this chart saying that must stay below 45.50 and we will go to this rising TL, right? And what happened to this chart? Boom. As of today, we got that target, rising TL, and this nice little area is 41.96. We are here, and now very good setup to go long, right? So let's see, right? I have my system that without the confirmation, I do not open the trade. So from the 20-minute chart, where if I see a long setup, then I'll take it. If not, then no problem, right? So that's how it is. Now, next chart is US30 weekly chart, made 27th July. So this was a high, 35,627 was in question. That if this thing can stop it, we can drop back to this rising tier. What happened to this chart so far as of today, October 4, is this. Not this. This is US30, right? So you see that it's powerfully coming to the downside. And it is probably one of these areas. We already left behind this. If we can stay below this, then the next would be probably 33, 22, 267, right? So this is how it is. And then if you S&P is going to make the turn, maybe this will also make the turn. So be ready for that. Next chart is DAX. You can see here, this was the chart that I made on 22nd July, that this high is going to stop it and then it's going to drop. And so far, it is like that, right? It came down exactly from there. Went up a little bit, but then came down as of today. And the last but not the least is Nasdaq, and it was also making a very nice harmonic pattern. The Fib calculation, harmonic pattern is not, that not that important, but the thing is that the Fib calculation, Fib works very, very calculated way. If you can understand, yeah, you can play with that. So if sometimes it goes up 61%, sometimes all the way 78%, sometimes even 50% and drop, right? So different pullback produce different targets. So this is after this 61%, 38, usually it goes to 161, and then this was the number I was expecting a turn from 157.18. And what happened to this Nasdaq chart is boom, outer teal, this rising teal, and then this number here 143.82. We are sitting there trying to bounce from there. So these are the four indices that I wanted to make a show that I made the chart a long time ago, like in July, and then August and September, and now after 2 months in October, we reached all of those targets, the outer teal, the rising outer teal. So we are at those teals now, and if anything, if we bounce, we need to see I need to see the long setup on my 20-minute chart. Different big size, yeah, but without the setup, I don't take any trade, right? So this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys that be ready. All of these things can bounce from these areas that I showed, the 143.82 Nasdaq, and then this one here, but this is a very nice setup here. See, 41.96. Pay attention, very close attention, that if we can stay above and then start to go up, then we're going to go up again, and you will have a nice opportunity to get a nice trade out of this rise. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get my videos as soon as I upload them. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.